Hey guys, this is Raju from TechPP.com, and I am at the Sony booth at IFA 2013. It's a very noisy out here, but I hope that you can able to listen to me talking about the Xperia Z1 and particularly the camera on this beast. So it is a whopping 20.7 megapixel camera, and it's powered by Sony XMOS R sensor, and it's a very powerful camera in the sense that it's very good for low light photography, and it's something comparable to what Nokia has done with Lumia series. So let's have a look at what this Sony's new camera have to offer in terms of the settings and the features. So as you can see, by default you would be seeing the automatic setting over here. It's called Superior Auto, and it works really well. I have tested it for a couple of different lighting scenarios, and it adjusts really well and pretty fast to that. So by default it is enabled, and you can actually choose to go manual and settings for the change the settings for the white balance, the exposure, the ISO, and everything. So this is for the people who are keen to play around with the camera and get the best out of the camera. So and another thing is with regards to the 20.7 megapixel, that can be achieved only through the manual setting, not with the auto setting. So that's another advantage of using the manual mode over here. And the third one is with regards to the Info Eye. This is a bit of a gimmicky thing in the sense, if you point this one to something like, as you can see here, an Eiffel Tower or somewhat, so it captures and then scans the image to provide you more info about the particular photo you are taking. And also it works like an OCR, where you can capture a word, and it gives you more details about that. So that's nice to have, but more of a gimmick than anything else. And the next one is the social life. This is again something nice to have. Maybe who is addicted to Facebook, you can live stream the things you are recording on your phone to your friends on Facebook. So it basically what it does is it puts out an URL to your friends on Facebook. By clicking that, they can go and watch it, whatever you are recording right now. So the upload is happening to the Sony servers and streaming to people around the world. And this time shift burst, okay, this is the burst mode, and works really well. So let's take a look how this one works. So there you go. So within 2 seconds it has shot almost 120 photos. So as you can see, you can go ahead and choose any of these 120 shots which you have just shot in the burst mode. Of course, the subject over here, it's not interesting enough, but you get an idea what it's supposed to do now. So just go ahead and pick it. So that's there, and you can go back and try a different frame by going here again. So that is the burst mode, which works really well. AR effect, okay, this is something kids and a few people would love. It's like, just choose one of these, and it automatically adds stuff to your let's have a look. There you go. So it adds things automatically, and you can go ahead and capture it. So that's fun. And the other thing is with regards to the picture effect, it adds a lot of filters and live filters, so something cool. And the last but and there is a panorama mode as well, and the motion graph. These are the add-ons which are there from the app, so you can go ahead and add some apps from Sony's own select store, which would add a lens-like feature which Nokia has, the Nokia lenses. So that kind of feature can be added to the existing camera applications. So this is about the Sony Xperia Z1 and the camera it has. We shall take a very detailed look once we get our hands on it. We still have to see the quality of the images and how good the 20.7 megapixel number translates into the real world. So we shall take a look once we get our hands on that. Till then, it's chat.